Welcome back. Task 1. Evidence document. Open the file J219 evidence. Make sure that your name, center number, and the candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Insert, header, three columns, your name, center number, and candidate number. Close header and footer. Save this document in your work area as J219 evidence followed by your candidate number, for example, like this. File, save as, computer, browse. Inside your working area, file name, save as type, Word document. Save, minimize. Task 3. Database. You are now going to prepare some reports. Make sure all currency values display the same currency symbol and are set to 2 decimal places. Inside your working area, right-click, New, Microsoft Access Database, Database. Press enter again. Enable content. Using a suitable database package, import the file J219 books. External data, text file, browse, June 19, J219 books. OK. Next, first row contains field name. Next, text number, title, short text, author, short text, book reference, long integer. Text, number. Class code, short text, imprint, short text, publisher group, short text, rank, long integer, volume, long integer. Currency, Tax date. RRP currency, ASP currency, pending short text, pop date, date with time. Next. Set book reference as a primary key. Choose my own primary key, book ref. Next. Rename your table to box. Finish. Close. Right click inside this table, go to design view, currency, format, currency, decimal places 2. The same on ASP, set the format to currency and decimal places 2. Publisher date DDMMMYY, format DD dash MMM dash YY. Evidence 6. Place in your evidence documents screenshots evidence showing the field name and the data type used in the table. Turn back to RRP, then take a screenshot, Alt plus print screen. Into evidence 6. Paste or press Ctrl plus V. Import the file J219 gener as a new table in your database. Close this table first. Save. External data, text file. Browse. J219 gener. OK. Next. First row contains field name. Next. Set class code as a primary key. Next. Choose my own primary key. Class code. Next. Rename your table. Finish. Close. Create a one-to-many relationship between class codes in the gener table and the class code in the books table. Database tools, relationships, add both tables, close, resize your table, drag class code from gener to class codes in books, create, Place in your evidence document screenshots showing the relationship between the two tables. Edit relationships. Then take a screenshot by press print screen inside your keyboard. OK. Turn back to your evidence. Below evidence 7, paste. Create a columnar data entry form using fields from the books table, which include only the fields book reference, class code, title, imprint, publisher dates, bending, volume, and ASP. To select a specific fields from a specific table, we need to create a query first. So close the relationship, save, create query design. Choose books table, add, close, resize your table, choose book reference, class code, title, imprint, publisher date, bending, volume, ASP. Include a suitable form title in a large underlined font. Close this query, save, query 1, OK. Select your query, create, form. Rename the form title to books entry form and make this title home underline and increase the font size. Good. Make sure that the layout has consistent alignment and spacing. All field names and data are fully visible. We finish this step by the way. Close this form, save, form. OK. Use the form created in step 23 to enter the following details as a new record. Open your previous form, go to new records, enter this data. Book reference 104444, class codes are E000F, title Friday Nights, Imprint reads duck. Publisher date 1 Jan 09. Bending Berber back volume 25262 ASP 5.29. Check your data entry for errors. Make sure all data is fully visible. Save the data. Save or press Ctrl+S inside your keyboard. Evidence 8. Place in your evidence documents a screenshot showing this data in your form. Press Alt plus print screen inside your keyboard. Turn back to your evidence. Below evidence number 8, paste. Using fields from the books table, produce a tabular report that. Remember, if you want to create a report, you have to create a query first. Close this form, create query design, books, close, increase your table size. Choose only the fields title, imprints, publisher date, bending, volume, ASP. So double click on title, imprint, publisher date, bending, volume, ASP, contain a new field called sales value, which is calculated at runtime and displayed with the same currency formatting as the RRP and ASP fields. This field will multiply the volume field by the ASP field. Go to the last field, type sales value, sales underscore value, colon or 2 points, volume multiplied by ASP. Then press enter inside your keyboard. Turn back to sales value, property sheet, format, currency. What about decimal places? If you not found decimal places, go to view or run, then turn back to design view again. Decimal places. 2. Then close the property sheet. Select the records where title includes text night. Title include text night, so you need to type night between 2 stars or 2 asterisks. Then press enter. Run or view. All the title contains night. Turn back to design view. Volume is more than 6,000. Volume greater than 6,000. Run. Right. Turn back to design view. Imprint does not include Proton. Imprint not Proton between 2 stars. Then press enter. Run. All the imprint does not include Proton. Turn back to design view. Now we are ready to create our report. Close the query first. Do you want to save? Yes. Query 2, okay. Select query 2, then go to create report. Sort the data into ascending order of pending, then descending order of volume. Group and sort. Add a sort. Pending. Then add a sort again. Volume. Descending order, largest to smallest. Close the sort pane. Has a page orientation of landscape. Page setup, landscape. Fit on a single page wide. Resize every field to fit on single page wide. Good. Okay. Include only the text high volume book sales as the title displayed in a large font size at the top of the report. Like this. Has your name, center number and candidate number in the footer of the report, so it displays on every page. We don't need this total. Right click, delete row, go to home, view, design view, label, inside page footer, your name, comma space, center number, comma space, and candidate number. Press enter inside your keyboard. View, print preview. Make sure that you haven't any blank pages or any errors. Good. Print out to make sure that you have entered your name, center number, and candidate number on your report. So print, close. Export the report created in step 25 in rich text format. Save the exported file in your work area, then take a screenshot. Close your report, save, yes, report 1. Right click inside report 1, export to RTF file or rich text format inside your working area. OK. Close. Then turn back to your working area. Go to report 1. Then take a screenshot by press Alt plus print screen. Turn back to your evidence document. Below evidence 9. Paste. Using fields from both tables, produce a tabular report that we need to create a query first. Create query design, both tables, add, close, increase the table size, choose title, author, bending, book, gen, rank, do not group the data. Select the records where book genre is children or young adults. Go to book genre, type children or young adults, then press enter. Make sure that you have the specific results, children and young adult. Turn back to design view. Rank is 400 or less. Less than or equal to 400. then press enter. Test your results. Okay, then turn back to design view. Bending is paperback. Bending paperback. Run. Good. Turn back to design view. Now you are ready to create your report. Close the query. Do you want to save? Yes. Query 3. Okay. Go to query 3, then create report. It's a tabular report. Sort the data into ascending order of rank. Group and sort. Add a sort. Rank. Then close the sort pane. Has a page orientation of portrait. It's the default orientation. Fit on a single page. Resize every field. Include only the text top ranking youth fiction as the title displayed in the large font size at the top of the page. Copy. Press enter. Calculate the total number of boxes in this selection and positions this number under the pending column. Right-click inside this total number, then delete row. We don't need it. Inside bending, select any cell, go to total, count records. Increase this total number size. Has a label number of box to the left of this value. Then press enter. Drag the page number inside your report. Has your name, center number and candidate number on the report. If you remember, view, design view, design, label, below page footer, your name, center number and candidate number. Press enter. View, print preview. Make sure you haven't any blank pages. Okay. Save and print your report. Save. Report 2. Press enter. Then print. Close. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the number of books. So, Alt plus print screen from the design view to display this formula inside evidence 10. Paste. Recommend 2 changes that could be made to improve the efficiency and ease of use of your database. Justify your choices. Type your recommendations with reasons into your evidence document using no more than 100 words. Below evidence 11, add bullet points. Number 1, we can add a navigation buttons into our form. So add navigation buttons into form. Also, we can add a drop-down list inside our form. So add drop down list inside form to reduce errors. Also, we can add instructions inside our form, but 2 points enough. Thank you for your watching. Hope to see you again.